What's up, guys? I'm back with another video. Today I'm on my way to go on a rally, I guess it is. I am not sure who or what will be there, but I'm late as per usual. I apologize to that Holiday Inn because we've got a tunnel and it's 9 a.m. It's time for their wake-up call. Scratch that, there was a cop, so I bailed. I'm not sure exactly what is here. Ooh, this is a bad dip. I should not have gone this way. I see a Porsche that's wrapped in a camo. I'm just gonna go through this way. A GTR, old classic, a Porsche, and a Ferrari. We've got a pretty good crew today. Got NSX behind me, Lamborghini LP Gallardo in front of me. It's been about 3 minutes and I think we're already lost. I'm not sure where we're going, but I think there's a canyon right here in the mountain. The freeway's over there. I'm still not sure where we're going, but this is definitely not the right way. But at least I got a good view of the valley. Just kind of caught mine right there. I think we're finally joining back up with the group. Yeah, I see the grocery store right there. Hopefully they're still here. Now we're moving. Now we're not. Now we're kind of moving. I mean, at least we have amazing views up here. We have ahead of us. It's like a lot of fun. Ooh, hit a branch. Be a lot more fun if it was one way, but it's just too narrow to really do anything on. You don't know who's going to be around which turn. It's going to be a cyclist or a big SS. Oh shit. I went off a little bit. That guy just flipped us off. I think we made it with the rest of the group finally. We have finally made it back to Sundance. Oh, it's in neutral. Looks like the rest of the group is here. I saw the NSX and also the Aston Martin. Okay, we have now made it. Got the Ferrari and Aston Martin over there. More cars back there. Me right here. Ferrari 458. Got the new vertical mile rally GTR with a huge deck lid wing. Got an Audi R8 V8. And I think that's about it. Everyone took off. We just finished lunch. I think it's time to head back to Salt Lake. Not really sure what else there is to do today. It's about 4 o'clock. I swear that car gets more and more exhausting every time I drive it. The car's back in the spot, you know what that means. But before I end this video, I do want to show you this Ferrari real quick. What do you guys think of this 458 Italia? To me, I think it's perfect. I love it. It's beautiful. Right now we're painting the exhaust manifolds to match the wheels. But I think this spec is amazing. Absolutely filthy. I definitely need to watch it. That's pretty cool. It actually snowed on us while we were up in the canyons eating lunch. So yeah, I definitely need to wash my car, but I really don't feel like it. So I'm just gonna end this video there. And I will see you guys next time. Thank you for watching. Bye. I'm always awkward with those byes, so goodbye. Adios. Goodbye, Jake Paulers.